So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to set reminder based on the website you're reading. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. And now here, open any web page. So for example, this is the press release from Apple. And now, I want to set a reminder to make a tweet about it. So let's use Gemini for it. Click on Ask Gemini. Now, let's set the reminder. Remind me at 10 p.m. to continue reading this article and make a tweet about it. Press enter. And now, this will ask you to add the reminder. Click on add. And now the reminder is added. As you can see here, the time for it is 20 April 10 p.m. So this I can use Gemini on Chrome to set reminder based on the website you're reading. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.